boy. Good dog.
Good boy. Good boy, Buddha.
Come on, Scotty. Good boy.
Good boy. Why don't you go out there, honey, so I can get you on video and see what happens when you go underwater, what he does. So we can find Daddy. Let's find Daddy. Look at him swim. Oh, I keep losing him. There he is. I'm recording. There's the boys out at swim.
Buddha dog. Buddha dog.
Go underwater. He didn't like that. He's like, what happened?
That's right.
Buddha, was that fun? Did you have a good time? Oh, he's tangled up. Let's get him untangled. Good boy, Buddha. We're gonna